Hey, I'm Courtney Love and welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a video, another hair video where I attempt to do a specific hairstyle. I posted a video like that yesterday, which was the first time I did a hair tutorial. Not really a tutorial, but just a hairstyle video with my natural hair. So if you want to see the hairstyle I did and how that turned out, I'll put the link to that video in the description box, so go check that out after this video. So stay and watch this video and then go check it out after this video. So yeah, so today I attempted this like low ponytail Egyptian goddess braid thing. I don't know what the hell it's called, but I basically did a braid in the middle, put some gold clips on it, and slicked it back in the bun. I think the great informational thing about this video is basically learning how to slick back your hair if you have like really short natural hair. My hair isn't too short to where like I can't get it in a ponytail at all, but it is short to where like the front doesn't reach the back if it's like in a low ponytail. So I use the gel method type of thing, I don't know what it's called, so that I can slick it back and all that stuff to where all of my hair is like in the ponytail or looks like it's in the ponytail. So if you have those problems where your hair is too short to fit into a ponytail, this is the video for you, because girl, I helped you out today. You're welcome. So yeah, if you want to see this video, stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started on this hairstyle that I am about to attempt. You guys have seen the intro to this video, so y'all know if I actually achieved it or failed. So I don't know if this is actually gonna work out. I have done a slick back ponytail like this before, but the way that I'm about to do it, usually I do it like to the side and then to the back. But the way I'm about to do it, with like a little braid and then like swooshed around to the side with the little clips in it or whatever, I've never done that before. So yeah. I'm looking above the camera because I'm looking in the mirror. So I'm just sectioning off my hair so that I can braid this part. And I'm not braiding it all the way to the back. I'm just kind of like braiding it like midway, like stopping right there. So I'm gonna get a little bit of water on this part. And then a little bit more leave-in conditioner. This baby out. I'm tripping. Hopefully nobody come walk right by my window, because that would be awkward. So I'm gonna take a little bit of gel and put some gel right here. And put some on the side. Ugh, these ponytails are giving me a headache. Okay, now time to braid. Now it's time to start the slicking of the ponytail. So I'm gonna start with the back, and I'm actually trying to turn around to let y'all see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna spray the back. My glasses keep sliding down. It's upsetting me. And I'm gonna just take some gel. And I'm gonna put a whole lot of gel on this. Then I'm gonna take my brush. Okay, so I added some more gel to it after I brush it out, and then I'm gonna just take my brush. And then I'm gonna take some rubber bands and then, you know, put it in the ponytail. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the next section. I think I'm gonna just do the next section before like the very front off camera. Okay, so I already did like this part, but I decided I'm gonna just go ahead and do the front on this side too, and then I'll go back and do the rest of this side. So I'm gonna show y'all this, and I won't record this side, and I'll come back when that's done. Okay. So I just wet this, and then same thing I did with the other sections. I'm just add a bunch of gel. And the reason why I'm okay with doing this hairstyle right now is because it's the end of the week. It's Friday, and my wash day is on Sunday. So I'm gonna just wear my hair like this today, and then tomorrow, and then wash all this gel out on Sunday, cause it's just a lot of gel and a lot of product in your hair, and I feel like that's not really healthy for your hair to just have like so much product in it for such a long time. So I wouldn't want to wear this hairstyle for like an entire week, but I think for a couple days, and it's not even a full day honestly, because it's like I think like 4 o'clock on a Friday. So now this part probably won't really reach into the ponytail, so basically I just gotta use a lot of gel just to make it stick. So now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So I'll be back. So now I'm gonna just do a little something to my edges, and then I'm put some like gold clips right here. So I'm gonna actually use this edge wax on my edges. I will kill. So hopefully we can get this part right. So first I'm gonna put one, you see right here where the rubber band is. I'm gonna put one on that because I don't want the rubber band to show. This is the hairstyle. I am happy with it. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. Y'all can see what it's looking like. Whatever. So yeah. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see me do more hairstyle attempts and all that stuff, or just more hairstyle videos with my natural hair in general, I think my next video will probably be me showing y'all my wash day routine. So if you want to see that, give this video a thumbs up. Leave in the comments other hairstyle videos or other videos in general that you want to see me do. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.